Hey guys, David Fearsome here. A huge warm welcome to this video. Now, in this video series, we've been going through Kyvio, what it is, what it can do for your business. I've been trying to answer some of the most commonly asked questions that I get about Kyvio. So today, I thought I'd just show you some of the templates that you get when you join Kyvio and how easy it is to start manipulating those templates to sell your own products. So I'm literally just going to jump straight into the into Kyvio and let's just get going. And let's not waffle anymore. So I'm going to assume you've logged into Kyvio and let's just click on Smart Funnels. So you can come here or click on here. So build your funnel. I'm going to build that out. Now I may blank some of this out. Some of these are like memberships and product names that I've not actually released yet as well. So just bear that in mind if some of it is blurred out. So I'm just going to come up here and create a new funnel. So any funnels that you've created will already be here, and the categories of your funnels as well will be here. So we've got sales funnels, product launch funnels, and 2 that have been, so 13 in total. And here's your traffic coming in this month, quite early on at the moment. So new funnel, hit that there. So what? Let's just click. These are the ones you've got pretty much. So you've got lead gen funnel, sales funnel, product launch funnel, webinar funnel, and custom funnel. You basically just, all that's going to be different here is the types of templates that are used and the amount of steps that are given to you. And you can create your own steps anyway. So you can come in here, you can create a lead gen funnel, you can change it to a sales funnel. It doesn't really matter. But these are just sort of like a template breakdown before you get into the nitty gritty of it. So I'm going to, let's just do a sales funnel. So you click on there. So initially you've got your sales page, an upsell page, a downsell page, a thank you page, and you can add another sales page. You can add a webinar registration page, landing opt-in page, whatever it is, they're all there for you to do pretty much. So I'm just going to leave that as it is for now. And let's just click on next. Sorry, my dog's in the room. He's shaking himself. That's the noise. So sorry about that. So here are just some of the templates you get. So you got a yoga teaching template, beauty salon, fitness gym. You can see some of the changes and the colors, the backgrounds, and there's a plumber's template there. So let's go to the next page. You got an itchy ear. Dental patients, keto diet, web app, corporate template, pizza template, or a freelancer. So let's just click on. Let's preview the that one. Let's just show what it's a quick look. Just bear with me 1 second while it comes up. Really? Okay, so and basically, yeah, here it is here, and you can easily start manipulating this very, very simply. So let's just jump back on there. Hello, you. I'm just going to pause it 1 second. You stay. So you can see my dog. So okay, so I'm happy with that one. Let's just click on select template. That's the template we want to use. So I'm going to hit that once. See a nice set of scratches down my arm. So I'm going to select template, and that's selected now. You've got the green square box around that. I'm going to click on next. And funnel name, I'm just going to call this example training for YouTube. Nearly. Example training for YouTube. Hit on next, and basically I'm just going to bin this after I finish this video, but it's just so you got the idea. So funnel has been created successfully down here. Notice down there. So let's just find that. Let's go jump on page 2. And you can do a search for it as well. So example training for YouTube. So you can see here I've got product launch funnels here, and I've got this sales funnel. So if you want to edit it, what you're going to do is just come in here, click on the pencil there to edit. Okay, so as you saw when we were selecting what type of funnel we wanted to create, you've got your sales page, your upsell page, your downsell page, and the thank you page. Now to click any of these, this means it's offline at the moment. If you want to send it online, make it live, you just literally click on that and it says sales page has been published. To unpublish, click it again, wait a couple of seconds for Kyvio to update, and it's offline again. Sales page has been unpublished. Simple as that. If you've got loads and loads of different pages, you can do a search up here for the page names. Very, very simple. And we're going to come here, sales page. So we want to start editing it really. So let's click on edit page, and the dog's back. So let's just give it a few seconds to load up. Just found the noisiest toy you could find. Okay, cool. So here again, you would publish up here. So you can see as I'm moving my mouse over it, this is the header section here, and you can turn that on and off really, really easily. So you can come up here to settings, and you see here you've got header options. You come to header options, you can see it's got display header. So if you just wanted maybe just a pure sales page, without any of this up here, you'll go, okay, get rid of that display header, all that's gone. Makes it nice and clean at the top, and then you would hit save. If you wanted to change the logo, or you wanted to add in, say, a video, you would come down here, video, Vimeo, drop a Vimeo link in there by clicking on the Vimeo settings. You can change that here as well to Vimeo, YouTube, or you can do like an embed settings as well. If you go to Vimeo or YouTube, you can see you've got this autoplay as well. Now be aware that autoplay feature probably won't work in Chrome at the moment due to some recent updates, but you get the idea. If you want to delete that, hit that top right button there, the bin or the trash can, whichever way you want to call it. And it is that simple to start creating and changing this. So if you want to change the text, you'll come up here, edit text, number one, plumber in the Southwest. If you're creating a web page or a sales funnel for a plumber, anything like this, or an ebook or a video series, absolutely anything. Really? Okay. So yeah, number one plumber in the Southwest. I mean, it is that simple. And then say you wanted that button up here, you can click and drag, drop, and then maybe that logo, you want that a little bit bigger, you can click, drag. There you go. Very, very simple to do. And it is that easy to start editing these funnels, and then you click on save. You wait while that saves, just a few seconds. I'm going to quickly show you how to change some of the backgrounds. But you can see already, like, all these templates are there ready and ready and waiting for you to use. So if you wanted to jump in, if you've got a product already, you would literally just be changing the text on some of these pages. If you wanted to get something up online in a few minutes like that, you might want to change the color scheme. Very, very simple to do. Hey, no, you stay down. He's insistent on changing the, I think that crashed there. So leave page, I'm going to shut down my download at the moment. Just click that off. Okay, this should do it. Okay, so very, very simple to do. Let's just get rid of that header again. Display header, get rid of that. Cool. And you just make any changes like I said before. Let's just hit save again. I think something went wrong there. Doesn't ever do that. But of course, when you're recording something live, anything that will go wrong, of course, will go wrong. So work that time. Come up here, you can do a preview. There's a preview right there. So yeah, perfect. Absolutely easy and simple to do. And of course, one of the things you want to be doing is of changing the URL. So you'll click on the settings of the button, and you can come over here to action, redirect to URL, put in your target URL there, probably open URL in a new window as well. And then once you change all that, hit save, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to change the general theme of the page, you come up here to page options, hit the cog there, page options, and you change the page title, say what, plumber, remember to put the R there. Don't worry about the, you can hide it from the search engine as well. Now, if you were, if you wanted, say, if you're just creating a simple product delivery page of like a 3 or 4, 5 video product, you could just create a simple page using one of these pages. You've got the URL up here. So it'd be like fearsomedigital.kyvio.com, and then / 2649 sales page, whatever that was. You can edit that URL just to be what, plumber sales page without the R, and then you would update that URL right there. So you could actually start sending that URL out to your email list or whatever it is, wherever you're selling. That's the URL that you'd be sending that out. So very, very simple to do. So again, page options, we've changed the page title, we've hidden it from the search engine. If you want it to be indexed, etc., unhide it. And it's really, really simple to do. Background image, you would change that there. And then you can have, you can obviously fit it, you can change the position of the image. And then the scrolling effects as well, you've got fixed when someone moves down the page, the image stays in the same place. So if you've got maybe a little bit of opacity color, like say there's a background image here with a blue opacity over the top. You would change that, and as you scroll down the page, the image will stay static, so it creates a nice little sort of scrolling effects for the text over the background image. It's something I've used quite a lot, extensively in my sales pages. And then you just hit save again, and let's just say you want to change the color here, block settings, background color. Let's just change that to, it's going to look horrible, but let's just change that to red. Done. Simple as that. It really, really is as simple as that. And that is pretty much how you would start editing a sales page. Of course, like these learn more buttons, you'd be changing the URLs, etc. And it is that simple. And you click, obviously save and then publish it, and you're absolutely ready to go. So let's just jump back in the template preview. So again, really, really incredibly simple to create and edit some of these templates online to get your product up online as fast as possible. So I'm just up to 11 minutes right now, and again, I wanted to keep these videos as short, as informative as I could. So if you have any questions, feel free jump into the comments, leave them down below, and I will get back to you to try and answer them as best and as timely I can. Like and share the video, of course. Remember to subscribe. And of course, if you like Kyvio, you fancy jumping in and using this, there's a link down below as well. I obviously do get a commission for that, but I use Kyvio each and every day of my business. It's how I operate. It's how I make money. And you can jump in as well and make money from it as well, as either as an affiliate under myself, or you can start selling your own products through it, start selling your own memberships. There's so much you can do with this platform. And again, if you're in two minds between Clickfunnels or Kyvio, I went from Clickfunnels to Kyvio, and even though I love Clickfunnels, I've not looked back, because this answers all my needs, all my business's needs. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Watch out for the next few in the series that are coming on Kyvio. I hope you've enjoyed it. Have a great day, and I'll see you all soon. Cheers, guys. Bye.